Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at ratios. If you've completed the previous fraction videos, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So ratios compare like quantities. So a very common example is the aspect ratio for an HD TV is 16 by 9. So 16 units of width, 9 units of height, like that. And so you can have bigger TVs, but they all follow the same ratio of 16 by 9. Another example is if you're at the gym, someone following the ratio of working out, 10 minutes of working out to 3 minutes of rest. So we write that 10 minutes workout, 3 minutes of rest. We're comparing minutes here. Minutes cancel out, and so we have 10 to 3. Or you can write it this way. This reads 10 to 3, like that. One can simplify ratios to get smaller numbers to work with. So let's say we have a ratio of 20 centimeters to 5 centimeters. We write it on top of each other, 20 to 5, like that. Centimeters cancel out. There's a common factor of 5, so we cancel that out. So we have 4 over 1, which reads as 4 to 1 as the ratio. When writing out ratios, we need to keep an eye out for the type of units. Otherwise, we can get some misleading ratios. For example, 4 meters to 65 centimeters. If we're not paying attention, we could easily write 4 to 65, but this is quite misleading. What we want to do is convert the meters into centimeters so that we have the same units when we're comparing. So we have 400 to 65. This reduces to 80 over 13, and so our ratio is 80 to 13, like that. When writing ratios, we use only integers for the numerator and denominator. No decimals or mixed fractions. So time for some practice. Here we are, practice number 1. Go ahead and write these ratios in their simplest form. Okay, we're back. So here we are, 10 to 15 reduces to 2 to 3. 20 to 36 reduces to 5 to 9. 12 over 24 reduces to 1 to 2. 8 to 45, this here is meters, so we make it 800 centimeters, like that. And the centimeters cancel out, and so this reduces to 160 over 9. Dollars, we convert the dollars into cents, so 56 cents over 140 cents, cents cancel out, and this reduces to 14 over 35, which reduces again to 2 over 5, like that. 42 seconds to 2 minutes. 2 minutes is 120 seconds, so 42 to 120 reduces to 7 to 20. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.